to my channel. I'm speaking a little bit quiet because it's hella early in the morning. I did post on my Instagram if you guys had any suggestions for me to film, because I was just kind of running out of ideas. I didn't want to keep doing the same look. So my best friend said just film like what your day is like. So basically this is what my day is like. I get up early. I'm gonna do my makeup right now. I don't do my makeup every day. I'm lying. So this week I haven't worn makeup. I just been feeling out of it. I don't know. But typically I do wear makeup every day, and I'm gonna update my everyday makeup look because obviously it's changed. So I'm gonna start off with the Ole Henriksen. I've been using Cetaphil, guys. I finished the Philosophy. My eyebrows are looking a little bit bushy. I don't pluck them out all the way. I just pluck out the big hairs. Alright, so I'm gonna put my oh, by the way, my moisturizer is this one. And I'm gonna put this my primer on. Guys, look at it. And I know the powder's like a more natural look, even though it's not natural. There's like nothing natural about you drawing on your eyebrows, but it's a more natural look than using the gel. That's why I use it. It's the same shit I use in every video. The both MAC concealer and the MAC eyebrow powder. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Potion Primer for my eyes. Alright guys, so I have my James Charles palette and my Huda Beauty. James Charles and my Huda Beauty. been adding a little bit of this and this mix to this side, and I'm applying moon dust to the inner corner. And the moon dust is from the Huda Beauty. Then I'm gonna just get an off brush like so, cocoa, and just hit the corner with it. I'm not sure what the color is called, to be honest. And I'm gonna just hit the outer corner. I'll show you guys which color it is though. It is that one. I'm using Fenty Beauty foundation as well. Concealer now, matte concealer, y'all know the drill. Then I'm gonna just set this with the Laura Mercier. People call this Laura Mercier. I call it Laura Mercier. You call it what you. So the reason I put bronzer down here is because it shapes my face out. See, like, bitch, I got some structure now. I got a double chin before, I got some structure now. gotta get dressed for work. I'll see you guys in my car. So I'm on my way to work. I didn't get to do my hair yet. I usually always do my hair at work because I have like about 10 minutes to spare before actually like getting on like with customers. I'm not running late. It's just like the bus blocks off the entrance, and I have 4 minutes to get to work, and let's just see how it goes. I got this thing for my car, and I was about to tell you guys, my manager was like, it's not gonna hold your phone. It's not gonna hold your phone when you brake, and she was right, you know. I mean, but for the most part, you know, it's working okay, whatever. Oh my God, lady, move! You guys, if you guys drive with me in the car, I have road rage, serious road rage. Like, guys, so I'm on my break right now. There's 7-Eleven by my job. The bacon one's okay. I'm not like a big ass bacon fan. Like, I like my bacon con huevo, pero así pa comérmelo así como que no. But if you get this one, it's hella good, guys, and I eat it with ketchup. But right now I don't got ketchup. But yeah, I curled my hair at work like I told you guys I would. But yeah, I'm just on my break. Peep the eyeshadow. Okay, it looks good. Actually looks really good. Pretty proud of myself with this look. But yeah, guys, I'm on my break. I gotta head back. So see you guys later on my lunch, or maybe when I get off of work. I don't know, we'll see. Bye bye. All right, guys, so I'm officially out of work. I'm on my way home. Not really on my way home. I gotta pick up my Chuzma first, and then head home. So it wasn't like hella fucking busy at my job, but it was just like customer after customer, and I was just kind of hectic. But yeah, I'm on my way home. Right now I'm gonna just go home and clean up my house a little bit, and then probably make some dinner and just clean up. And tomorrow I have to wash my brushes because I gotta do my cousin's makeup tomorrow. So I'm gonna wash my brushes tonight because I'm gonna use my brushes. It's my cousin. I mean, she doesn't care, so whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna wash them. And yeah, so tomorrow morning, that's what I gotta do to prepare for tomorrow morning. And I gotta pack my whole makeup that I'm gonna be using on her. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, it was a pretty chill day. Just tired. I'm glad I had the weekend off. Look, I broke my nail. I gotta save the piece though, because I gotta super glue it, because a bitch can't be like this. Alright, a bitch can't be like this. Right there. Like, my nail got stuck and it broke. I didn't even see that a van was coming, y yo nomás de pendeja me metí por andar distraída en el pinche teléfono. My day-to-day is working every day. But yeah, there's not much today. I didn't close out the makeup tutorial, so I'm closing it out now. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I should be having more subscribers, okay? If I'm adding up all the cousins and aunties I got, I should have more subscribers. So if you ain't subscribed, you better damn subscribe, because you guys are clearly watching, but you ain't subscribing. But I'm just fucking with y'all. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I'm about to be at my babysitter's. So thank you so much for watching. My life's not that interesting. I'll see you guys next time. I'll be filming another video for y'all. So yeah, bye.